Watch this video and learn how to draw a pretty princess. Later in the video, Bunny Fluffington has a song break. And watch to the end to see Louie reading some of his famous poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to make some art?
No. Artie's not in the mood today.
What? You're not in the mood?
No.
Are you joking, Artie?
Just kidding. Of course, Artie wanna make art.
Phew.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
Very well, thanks.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah?
Let's draw.
Oh, I can't wait.
Awesome. Then let's
Okay,
begin.
Let's start. Yeah, okay.
Are you ready to make some art? Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing two eyes towards the top of the page. Let's draw two little oval shapes and shade them in black. One on the left, one on the right. Our princess's eyes are staring at you.
Oh, yeah.
Let's draw a circle around each one, then it'll look more like a normal eye. Oh, that's better already, Artie. Don't forget the right eye. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Bunny.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Let's give our princess a crown. Two angled lines, one on the left, one on the right, a curved bottom, and then along the top, draw some zigzag lines, little V's. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw a big jewel right in the middle, a big diamond. Let's start her hair on the left and the right. Just draw a big curve, and then another one on the right. That's it, Artie. Great work so far.
You know, I have no clue what Artie is drawing. I just can't tell. It's a mystery, it's a mystery. Mystery, what? No? Okay.
Oh, Barry, all the dogs are barking now. Next door's dog, the dog down the street. Ugh. Oh, nice work on her hair, Artie. Let's draw her face now. Draw a nice big half-circle shape. Start on the left, then a little bit on the right, and then connect the two together at the bottom, making a complete face.
Oh, song break.
It's time for a song break.
Yeah, let's have a song break.
Okay, then.
Okay.
Think of pink and you think of what? Think of pink and the sweetness of friendship and laughter. Oh, think of pink and you
Oh, wow.
That was beautiful.
Yeah, that was a really good song break.
Bunny did such a good job.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Oh.
Okay, come on. Let's get back to the drawing.
Yeah, okay.
Let's give our princess some ears. Just a little back to front C shape on the right, a normal way round C shape on the left, and a little nose. Keep watching because Louie's going to read some poetry later on. Give her a nice smiling mouth, Artie. Now let's draw her neck and shoulders. A line coming down and then a curve on the end. The same on the other side. It looks a bit funny now, but it'll make sense in a minute. Add the sides of her body. It's looking good, Artie.
No, it sounds like Painty. Oh, no.
Oh no, Painty! You've made a big blue splodgy mess everywhere. Come along, Artie. Let's carry on with the drawing. Let's draw her right arm with a little hand on the end. That's it. There we go. Now let's do the same on the left side. Try and make the left arm match the right arm if you can.
She's outrageous. Oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a little poem about being a king. Here we go. I often wish if I were a king, and then I could do anything. If I only were the king of Spain, I'd take my hat off in the rain. If I were king of Norway, I'd ask an elephant to stay. If I were king of Timbuktu, I'd think of lovely things to do. That was a delightful one.
Now let's give her some nice flowing hair. Draw a swirly line on the right side and a swirly line on the left. Let's start her dress, Artie. Draw a teardrop shape coming out from underneath her waist. Now another one on the right. A nice big teardrop shape. That's it.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Hi! Artie, that drawing is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Helping out now, Artie. Stay creative.
Bye.
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 Oh, isn't Bunny so cute, Artie?
Yeah.
Oh, you think she's cute. Don't pretend. Oh, you're doing a really nice job on the dress, Artie. Look at that. Very pretty. You could have been a fashion designer.
Yeah.
You know, I think it might be finished, Artie. What do you think?
I finished.
I thought so. It's going to look really good once it's coloured.
Yeah, let's colour it in.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some color would make this even better.
Finished.
What a great job, Artie.
Yeah.
I love the colours. Came out really good.
Oh, came out so good.
Are you pleased?
Yeah, Artie's very, very happy.
Oh, good.
Goodbye, Artie!
Hey kids, have a great day.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
Wasn't that so much fun? Yay! Thank you for watching, and please watch again, and have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.